Alright, y'all, I'm gonna use this chicken thigh to make this sandwich. Okay, load the processor down with everything that you feel like you want to put inside your chicken sandwich. I decided to put a little bit of complete and a little chicken powder. Y'all, this is how it should look. Very tasty. Okay, y'all, this is how your chicken burger should look. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? How about toasting this bun, baby? Look, a little something like this. And we're gonna drop that burger. Drop this beautiful looking chicken patty that we prepared yesterday, and we're gonna cook it now in the pan. Get the little flip. Made my own sauce. I put mayonnaise, a bit of ketchup, and pepper. Start out with our little special sauce. A little nice big red piece of tomato. The red onion that I lightly sauteed for the start of the show. There she go. Brought with some green onion and a piece of Swiss cheese. All right, y'all. Here's your sandwich. This is nice, cooked, fresh chicken patty. Yay! My lunch. My lunch. My lunch. My lunch. My lunch. Ooh, it was hot in the back of that truck, y'all. But look. I don't know if y'all can see it real good because of the light. But anyways, I'm sitting over here minding my own business, honey. I know you gonna let me.